Hey guys, a video on COREWEAVE and Oracle. S&P doing really bad today. I did make a video on it. We're gonna close the weekly, below some levels that I didn't want to lose. The day started really strong. The week started really strong, but yeah, it's not looking too good. With that, I mean that we might have a few more red weeks. Okay, doesn't have to crash too much. You can watch the video yourself if you want some more detail on that. I don't want to bother you if you're not interested in that. But here locally on CoreWeave, I already said that this 886 I don't like it. Indicates to me that we'll probably take this low. With that, we'll hit this 886 taken from here to here, which will increase the probabilities to take this low as well. Okay. I still wanted to give this a chance, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here locally, with this being an ABC. Yeah, it could still do it, but understand that the chances are not in the favor of this scenario. Then here locally a 1, 2, 3. Also here your third wave is very weak. You're not reaching the 1.382. If we now do wave 4, we will have overlap, so the best we can hope for here is a diagonal. But beware, we have the 886 here as well, and yeah, the structure here looks more like a 3-wave move instead of a 5-wave move in this wave 1. Fits better as a corrective move to do one more leg down. So just be aware, okay, that we might move down here and then it can drop easily 20 to 30% more to take these lows. Of course, it's not gonna do it in like one go. This was like news related that it dropped to like 20% in a day. This will go just slowly here the next few weeks if this S&P is really gonna continue this move to the downside. Keep monitoring the news as well, and the oil price. It will keep having an impact on the markets in the near future here. And yeah, if you wanna be bullish here, try to get at least to 85 here locally. And what I can do is add a Fibonacci box from this low to the high that we have currently for potentially that diagonal pattern that we might be forming here. So first level is at 81, then we have 78, 77, and this is your invalidation. I mean, in a diagonal, I don't know if this is a real invalidation. This is for an impulse. But in a diagonal, yeah, ideally we don't go there, okay? It's pretty deep for a wave 4. Ideally we bounce from these first or second fips. Then what I can do is, okay, this gap is already here, indicating that we had this jump here. This gap could offer some support as well when we go down, if we go down. And I think that's all I've got to say. I know it's messy, the videos, but the structure is just super messy. Like if it's easy, of course the analysis will also be easier. If the structure is clear, the analysis will be easier. But it's really not. It's been really messed up the past few months. All of the charts, like it's really, yeah, indecisive structure that is not really strong. We need 5 waves to the upside to give more confidence, and yeah, this war and stuff is not really helping. Okay, so just be prepared for maybe one more low here. Oracle, similar. We're fighting here at the point of control of this range now, but yeah, this also, you can see it clearly, we reacted to the 1-to-1, which is a target for wave C. If this would be a wave 3, I would have wanted to see the price move higher here, get at least to this one, but it's failing. Internally here, if you want to label this a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, your wave 4 went too deep. You have overlap and you hit the 886. That's also not good, so yeah, it's not looking too good for this blue scenario. If you have to give odds, the odds are in the favor of this being a 3-wave move and us taking this low. before then trying again later on. Okay, this is then also in line with the S&P and with what I've been saying on Nvidia for a while now, that I want to see certain lows be taken on the Nvidia chart, and because it's like a major player in the S&P, it will drag it down with it. Okay, and of course the oil price, if it goes up, short term bad for the stock market. I mean, today is not too bad. Even if the S&P is down 0.5%, there are some green stocks. Bitcoin is doing good, but also this one still like very unclear. Okay, what it's gonna do. It's like in very indecision. Could go up here and make a third wave, yes, but also might at any point start to break down and make a new low. It's really like a very uncertain period, but that's good for dollar cost averaging, in my opinion. Once this is over, yeah, the stocks will be able to pick up again. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.